Figma Education Course Platform Review. Still good? Links to the product are added in the description. Figma Education is Figma's official learning platform and resource hub designed to help students, designers, and teams master digital design and collaboration using Figma. And in 2026, it remains one of the most effective tools for learning both UI/UX design and practical product design workflows. The platform offers a range of tutorials, courses, and structured learning paths, covering everything from beginner fundamentals like interface navigation, vector editing, and prototyping, to advanced topics such as design systems, responsive layouts, interactive components, and collaborative team workflows. Figma Education is ideal for students, aspiring UI/UX designers, product designers, developers looking to understand design handoff, and educators integrating digital design into their curriculum. One of the platform's strongest features is its hands-on, project-based approach. Learners work directly within Figma to create real-world projects, enabling immediate application of skills while building a tangible portfolio. The platform also emphasizes collaborative learning, leveraging Figma's cloud-based environment so multiple learners can work on projects simultaneously, reflecting real-world design team dynamics. Courses include step-by-step exercises, templates, and design challenges that reinforce learning and encourage creativity, while guides and workshops teach best practices for typography, color theory, layout, and user experience. Figma Education also integrates community resources, webinars, and mentorship opportunities, providing additional support and inspiration for learners at all levels. The platform is free for students and educators, self-paced, and accessible from any web-enabled device, making it flexible for individual learning or classroom use. While it is specialized in Figma and primarily focused on design, the skills acquired are transferable across digital design projects, web and mobile app development, and product teams. In summary, Figma Education remains highly relevant and valuable in 2026. Its combination of structured learning paths, hands-on projects, collaborative workflows, and updated content makes it an essential platform for anyone serious about mastering modern design tools. Whether you are a beginner exploring UI/UX, a student building a portfolio, or a professional upskilling for team-based design projects, Figma Education provides a practical, comprehensive, and career-oriented learning experience that equips users with both competence and confidence in the digital design ecosystem.